Ever wondered what not to wear on a flight? We all know that traveling can be a mix of excitement and chaos. It's a careful balance of comfort, style, and practicality. Factors like your flight's duration, your destination's climate, and in-flight comfort can greatly influence your outfit choice. But there are some outfits that just don't make the cut in the world of air travel. From being difficult to remove to causing unnecessary bulk or potential security issues, we've got it all covered. Let's dive into the top 10 outfits you should avoid wearing on a flight. Number 1 on the list is a jumpsuit. While they may seem like a chic, all-inclusive outfit solution, jumpsuits can quickly turn into a nightmare in the cramped confines of an airplane lavatory. The struggle to unzip, strip, and then redress is a dance no one wants to do at 30,000 feet. Opt instead for a two-piece outfit. It's a game changer when answering nature's call. Now let's talk about volleyball shorts and sport bras. Yes, they're comfortable and easy to move in, but are they warm enough for the unpredictably chilly cabin temperatures? Not quite. And security? Well, let's just say, it's safer to have a little more fabric between you and the airplane seat. The golden rule while choosing your travel outfit is this: balance style with comfort, and always lean towards practicality. Remember, comfort and practicality should be your top priority. Moving on to number 3 and 4, stiff fabrics and tight jeans. Imagine yourself on a long-haul flight. The last thing you'd want is an outfit that feels like a straitjacket. Stiff fabrics, while they might look great, can become a nightmare on a long journey. They limit your movement, making it hard to relax or even catch a few winks of sleep. Now let's talk about tight jeans. Yes, they might be your go-to fashion statement, but hear us out. On a long flight, tight jeans can restrict blood flow to your legs, increasing the risk of deep vein thrombosis, or DVT, a serious health condition. Comfort, folks, should be your watchword when choosing your travel outfit. Opt for loose, breathable fabrics that give you the freedom to move and stretch. Remember, fashion should never come at the cost of your health or comfort. Always prioritize your health and comfort. Next up, maxi dresses and pull-up boots. Although they may be the epitome of boho chic, maxi dresses can be somewhat impractical when traveling. The long flowing fabric can easily get caught in escalator steps or trip you up as you navigate through crowded airport terminals. Not to mention, the excessive material could be a hindrance during an emergency evacuation. Now let's talk about pull-up boots. They might be a stylish choice for a winter getaway, but they can be a real hassle at security checks. Imagine having to pull off those knee-high boots while keeping an eye on your belongings. It's not the most efficient way to go about it, is it? Moreover, in case of an emergency, the time it would take to remove these boots could be crucial. When it comes to travel attire, practicality should always trump fashion. In case of an emergency, every second counts. Finally, let's talk about bulky jewelry, bags without zippers, white pants, and tight vests. Starting off with bulky jewelry. You might think that your statement necklace or chunky bracelets add a touch of glamour to your travel outfit, but in reality, they can be more of a hindrance. Picture this. You're shuffling through security, trying to keep an eye on your belongings, and now you have to remove all your jewelry for the metal detector. It's an unnecessary hassle that can be easily avoided by opting for minimal or no jewelry. Next up, bags without zippers. These are a big no-no for travel. They're an open invitation for your belongings to fall out, or worse, for someone to easily slip their hand in and take something. Always opt for a bag with a secure closure to keep your belongings safe. Now, let's talk about white pants. They might look chic and fresh when you board the plane, but after a few hours of sitting, you're likely to end up with wrinkles and potential stains. It's best to stick to darker colors that are more forgiving. Lastly, tight vests. While they might seem like a stylish choice, they can become quite uncomfortable during a long flight. Tight clothing can restrict your circulation, which is particularly important to keep in mind when you're going to be seated for an extended period. Remember, your outfit can make or break your flight experience. So there you have it. A quick recap. Avoid jumpsuits, volleyball shorts, stiff fabrics, tight jeans, maxi dresses, pull-up boots, bulky jewelry, bags without zippers, white pants, and tight vests. Comfort, practicality, and safety should guide your outfit choices. We hope this guide helps you make informed decisions on your next flight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Everything Travel for more tips and tricks. Safe travels!